Alright, guys, I don't know if you guys remember, I was preparing to take my exam, pharmacy exam, this one. So I don't know if you guys remember that. But, anyways, OMG, guys, I passed the exam! So, anyways, told myself I'm not gonna open yung binili ko back in, um, when was that?
2,000 years later.
Back in Black Friday. Sorry, guys. So I bought a bag back in Black Friday. Tumatagilid yung camera ko, guys. Sorry. I think I need to buy a new um, ring light. Yeah, so right here. So I don't know if you guys know about Rebag. So this is the second time that I purchased an item from them, and so Rebags are retail, online retail that sells pre-love, luxury item. So I bought one back in Black Friday, and they have a good deal. But it's still expensive though. So and then during that time, I started to study my pharmacy exam, and apparently I received the after maybe a few weeks I received this package, and I was tempted to open it like many times, but I promised myself I'm not gonna open the box not until I see the result on my pharmacy exam. So I just found out today that I passed the exam, guys. So I deserve this bag. So this is like a gift for myself. So again, this was purchased back in Black Friday. So that was last November, guys. And I'm so excited to open it because I deserve it. It doesn't matter how, you know, expensive the item was, but I deserve this one, guys. So let me just open. Saan yung pambukas? Buksan lang natin, ha, guys. So yeah, madami silang bag doon sa Rebag. Puro luxury item. Pero ano sila, yung mga use na pero okay pa rin. You know, you cannot buy this like with a good price. So I look, they package it so nicely. They bubble wrap it like this, and then they have this one there. So you can visit rebag.com, and there's like a lot of items that you can purchase. OMG, guys, look at this. There you go. So packed it so nicely, and this is the one that I got, guys. There. I'm a Louis fan, so I don't know how many bag I have now. But look, the reason why I purchased this, madami silang ganito, pero yung iba, there's no box that comes with the box with the bag, but this one have a box. That's why I picked this one. And matagal ko na itong gustong bilhin, guys, pero yung bagong around $2,000. And but Rebag, you can see, but the box is like, you know it comes with this box, this one, the original box. So this is the ano dust bag. So that's why this is the one that I purchased, because it comes with a box and a dust bag. Oh, and it smells good too. It smells like a perfume. Okay, let's reveal my gift for myself. Here you go. Oh my god, look, this is so cute, guys. Wow. So, if you buy something at Rebag, comes with this tag, just to certify that it's authentic. Certified by Rebag. Um, Seller, key in here, and I know it comes with a key locks or something. I mean the key, yeah. So this is the lock. Ooh, parang nilagyan nila ng pabango to, guys. So, yan yung loob. And then, it comes with a strap to the original strap. The Louis strap right there. So, this is so small. I thought it's the big one. So, may mas malaki pa rito, guys. So, this is like, I think this is PM size. And yeah. So, this is the bag. So, I think you can only put um iPod on the back packet here, and then they also it comes, and then it has two packets in the front, and then this was made in Spain, right there, made in. Ito yung ano niya, yung packets niya sa loob, nalilift mo siya ng ganito. I'm looking for something, guys, and so I cannot open this because I don't have the key, so I don't know how. So anyways, that's the number there for the padlock. It says 444, and this is made in Spain, guys. And then I'm looking for the so this is my laptop. This is 13 inches, so it fits perfectly, guys, right there. So my laptop fits perfectly. So you can carry it like this, and then all the iPods can fit in here too, guys. So I'm gonna put the straps. This is the same as my I think you call this Macassar or something, the model. So you can carry it like this, like a regular business bag, briefcase bag. So yeah. So that's it, guys. OMG. So this is like, I bought this few months ago, and now first time I opened this, guys. So yeah, so you can fit your 13-inch laptop, Apple laptop. So I'm looking for a the date code, guys. So I don't know, maybe see you guys. Oh, there, I found it. Okay, so here you go, guys. So let me see. So the date code is right there. So it's on the. It was behind this two small pockets. So finally, I found it right there. So, anyways, that will be my unboxing for you guys. So this one comes with the original strap, but the key is missing, guys. So I need to find a key. So I don't know how am I gonna open this one. And then so this is authentic, guys, by the way. And then all Rebag, when you buy something at Rebag, they always have. So just a proof that it's certified by Rebag employees or people who work there. So yeah. So let me just show you the measurement, guys. Wow. It's just so it's almost 12 inches, almost 12 inches in height, maybe like 11 and a half, and then about maybe like 14 or 13 and a half inch right there, maybe 13 and a half inch. And then the strap, I don't know, you guys figure it out. You can adjust it, you know, based on your height. But I think I can carry it like this, like a crossbody bag like that. Yeah. So yeah. Guys, thanks. I passed the test. I'm so happy, guys. So, anyways, the reason I take this test is because somebody wants to hire me, another company. That's why I, tried and study hard to pass this exam, and apparently I passed it, guys. Yeah, see, look, binasa ko yan lahat, guys. Look, so thick. So for all of you, or if you guys wanted to work in a hospital, you need to pass this exam, guys. Yung mga pharmacy technician out there here in America. So, yep. And this one, by the way, I bought it at Amazon, so it's still available in Amazon. So this one is 2022 2023, so it's still good, this year. So if you're a pharmacy tech here in America, and if you want to work in a hospital, you need to take this exam, guys. So it's a little bit hard, but if you read all of this, a lot of good information here, guys. And it consists of 540 test questions. And sorry, guys, I'm checking my mic. So it has 540 questions, and then 500, the answers too. So it will tell you the detailed answer and then question. So just read all of this. But I would also recommend to go to pccb.org, and they also have practice exam in there, and but you have to pay. So yeah, I paid it, and then, well, guys, so as long as you know your math, and then what else, a lot, guys. So just study hard. So yeah, so this one, I deserve to have this one, guys. This is a gift from myself. And yeah, so no more Louis, no more buying Louis. So anyways, guys, I hope you like this video, and thank you for subscribing, and bahala na kayo. Bye.